cut those with the axe today, and then I've got that. I'm just planing it. That shows up. It's a nice smooth bit plane. Well, I've got the plane set to quite a heavy cut. I was just taking bits off it just for the sake of it. See what it's like. Still a bit damp, but yeah. I don't know if you can see. Starting to get it a bit flatter. Just I'm just going at it. No real plan, but yeah. There you go. Starting to take shape a bit. I'm gonna have to finish for the evening, but it's quite. Yeah. I think it looks all right. Still quite a bit of work to do, but I've got it relatively round shape. Yeah, the handle will be less than that, but yeah, there you go. Made it so that my fingers fit. There's a little groove there for the fingers. I'll see how it feels when I use it for the weight and that bit. Traditionally that top bit would have been about an inch smaller, so I'll see if I can always take that off if needs be. I'll see it in the video now. I can always take an inch off the top there. But yeah, that's it with a coat of Danish oil on it. I think the grain looks quite nice. Only thing with this one, there was a bit of a crack that was running down the whole length of it, but yeah, got it fairly round. But yeah, it feels quite nice in the hand. It's had a lot of Danish oil in it. Yeah, there you go.